We estimate a return on investment of X5 in the first year.
AREAS is the key operator in a secondary market called travel retail. We are present in train stations, airports, highways, and amusement parks. 170 sites spread across these 4 markets, representing more than 600 points of sale. We operate brands like McDonald's, Paul, Starbucks.
We had a lot of difficulties in reaching out to candidates and sourcing resumes. We are in a very dense employment area with a lot of competition.
We went to markets, employment centers, local missions.
Searching for resumes could take us several days to several weeks. We had to pick up the phone and call the candidate.
Before, it was mandatory to submit a resume. 1 out of 2 candidates apply without CV.
We prioritized finding a tool, an ATS, that allows us to have agile and also a much faster recruiter journey.
We can publish in relation to brands that will also attract candidates.
We have reached nearly 280,000 applications in 15 months with an NPS of around 8 to 9 out of 10. In terms of satisfaction expression, 50,000 candidates have given feedback.
Today we receive a candidate who is pre-selected based on what we are looking for.
The recruiting assistant will automatically send questions according to the job sectors we have identified and the questions we have associated. AI has also allowed us to obtain double scoring on experience and availability. We can access statistics by job board, by point of sale, by user, by profession.
The tool allows for the automation and digitization of the document collection process to create an employee file, and all this without the intervention of managers or the HR team.
As a result, we have moved from a recruitment process that was quite time-consuming to really a digital solution that allows us to move faster.
We estimate a return on investment of X5 in the first year.
Easy recruitment, shorter recruitment time, and good candidates.